discuss something important in my life, something that made a significant impact on my life, something that changed my life for the better. In April 2004, I was deployed to Afghanistan as a member of the 367th Engineer Battalion. I went there as a civil engineer, so our job was to mainly provide assistance for a minefield clearing operation, concrete operations, and road building operations. When we first arrived, I was given the task of project manager of the D airfield, which was going to support multiple aircraft from across all service branches. At first, my team went out and set the foundation for the base level, and then we staked it off so that the heavy construction equipment could come in and put rock and sand in to form the base of the airfield. Next, my team went out and staked it out again so they could come in and pour the concrete. This time measuring where the concrete should be poured and how much was needed to make it come out evenly and work out so that it wouldn't crack and sustain the heavy loads and stress that the excessive heat and weight would be on it most of the time. After this, concrete trucks came in. They would come in almost one after the other because we could only work for a few hours of the day due to the heavy heat and the extreme temperature and stress of the area we were working in. Every so often, I, as the project lead, would have to take some of the concrete aside and run a slump test to determine if the concrete that we were getting was the right consistency in every truck. Most of the time it was, however, if it wasn't, we would have to see what we could do to get it within the reasonable limitations we were given. Once it was within the reasonable limitations, it would be poured. We did this every time, all the way along, until it was completely finished. Mind you, this was a square mile airfield that we were talking about, so it took quite a long time. The project took a good 3 months to complete from start to finish. When it was finally done and finished all the way, we were each given a battalion coin for our dedication to the project. I still treasure this coin greatly, as a reminder of an accomplishment of something that I achieved where I was actually the one leading the project. I would go on to help on other projects such as a road from Bagram to Kabul, Afghanistan, a POW camp, and being selected to join a team for a cave clearing operation. But getting this coin for a job that was completed well, and for other branches of service to enjoy, that I was actually the lead on something, that is something I will honestly never forget. And this is the coin that I was given.
Uh-huh.